I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're making a refreshing salsa from our cookbook, Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior.
And I have some parsley in my teeth from tasting the parsley that goes in this amazing salsa we're making.
I don't see your teeth are not that green.
They feel it.
Okay, so it's on page 106 if you're following along, and the title of it is Red Radish Grape Salsa. It's crispy, it's fresh, it goes so well on anything. We're going to put it on a burger. Okay, so as it says, you have, the ingredients are radishes, cherry tomatoes, red grapes, green onions, parsley, cracked pepper, and lime juice. So we have all that right here.
I'm doing the grapes and the lime.
Go, go, go. Okay, so we're just going to chop these into like, I'd say it's like small dice. And the grapes we're going to quarter. And then we have, I think we have a good amount of radishes there.
You know, these radishes are from my CSA, which is Community Supported Agriculture. And they just look so beautiful.
They do, they do.
That's why I really so glad to use them.
I wanted to use this today because your radishes were so pretty.
And radishes last forever if you put them in water.
Yeah, she floats them in water. I remember as a kid, can you chop up some of the parsley, about, I don't know, half that? Just chop it up fine so you don't get it like choke when you're eating the salsa. As a kid, I used to go to the refrigerator and there would be all this carrots and water, celery and water. So it was always cold and refreshing to have carrots and celery. And they were always sort of cut and prepared. You were sort of, you had some choice architecture going when you were
yeah, I'm just thinking.
Young mom. Well done, Mommy. Well done. Okay, so I'm sort of not just having, but kind of quartering the cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, whatever you have.
Jane, I don't have the knife. I usually do.
Here.
So is this small enough?
That's great. That looks perfect. I'm going to do one more tomato. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, so we've got radishes, grapes, cherry tomatoes, green onions. I chopped those earlier because this is a lot of chopping. And let's add your, let's add your parsley. And I'm going to crack some pepper with my fee-fi-fo-fum coffee, or not coffee grinder, black pepper grinder. All right, so Mommy, we want at least 2 tablespoons of lime juice in there. And salsa is just a great mix of whatever you have with some cilantro, some basil, some parsley. If you have that, a little bit of onion. Oh, that's good. That's 2 tablespoons for sure.
May I put it on?
Please put it on and then stir it up. I'm going to get a burger to put it on. We have all these burgers today. We're so lucky.
Ha!
So I have a burger. How would you want your salsa?
I would just want my salsa, not in a burger, Jane. I'd like it just...
On what?
By the spoonful.
You know what? This is great on everything. I mean, we have examples of where we want to eat it, but I would put this on if we had like soft tacos or a burrito.
Just rice, if you had rice.
Just rice and beans.
In a sandwich. I mean, you know.
In a sandwich would be great. I thought I put it on a burger just because this is a yummy one we have here. And why not? Did you aim for the top, please?
I'm aiming it for the side.
Why? I want it on top of my burger. All right. And yummy, yummy, yummy. Little burger and salsa in my tummy.
You know what's so good?
Everything.
It's the taste of sweet, the taste of lime, the crunch of radish.
And there's a refreshing sweet of the grape. Yeah, that's really good.
I could even have a few more grapes in there.
All right.
Woo!
This would be great.
We've got another hit here.
like a potato bar, when you have sweet potatoes or Yukon Gold potatoes with beans or tempeh or whatever you're putting on there, and you have red peppers and tomato, whatever fixings you have on top, throw in this salsa. It's like eating freshness. So it's a ray of sunshine. All right.
And I think grapes are just so good in anything. And in here, Jane, there's enough. I got a lot.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Those are really good limes.
Okay. Well, cheers.
I'm still cutting my.
Yeah. Well, we have endless ways that we would use our salsa. Let's try to think of other ones. On top of a bite of sandwich.
Why not have it on top of your oats? Who knows?
For breakfast.
Right.
This could be a breakfast salsa.
It's just gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. It is multifunctional. Red. Well, the last time I had it, I think I had it in a potato bar with a group of people. Just as you would use your mango salsa or your corn salsa or your tomato salsa.
Oh,
It's just a salsa.
and rice and beans.
Yeah. All different ways. Okay, let us know where you put your red radish and grape salsa. All right.
Aside from in your mouth.
Thank you. Bye.